In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to create a presentation floor plan like the one shown here. It will include the furniture for the house, room names, a color-coded room legend, and a room schedule for the entire house. The first step in creating a presentation floor plan is to duplicate the first floor. So I'm going to right click on the first floor and hit duplicate view, duplicate. And you can see it made a copy of the floor plan without the dimensions showing. I'm also going to hide the section. Okay. Now if I look in my browser, I can see the copy of the first floor, and I'm just going to rename that presentation floor plan. The next step in the process is to create a color legend. For that, you go to the Annotate panel and click on Color Fill Legend, and just place it next to the floor plan. When the little window pops up, you want to switch to Color Scheme Name and make sure the space type is on Rooms, and hit OK. Now you're ready to start placing rooms. So we'll go back to the Architecture panel. Over in the Room and Area section, click Room, and you can see the process for placing rooms. Now once the rooms are placed, you can name the rooms. For example, this would be a bedroom. And you'll see as you name the different rooms, the color of each room changes. While placing and naming rooms, you may find that there's an area that isn't separated by walls that you would like to separate out. For example, this short hallway here. There is a room separator command that you can click, and you can use to draw a line that would then separate that hall space from the rest of the great room area. And then you can go back and place a new room in that area. And rename that hall. And that separates that out as a separate area. And you can see all the rooms are placed and color coded according to the room legend. If you don't like the colors, you can edit the color scheme by clicking on the legend, hitting Edit Scheme, and you can change colors in this area. The next step in creating your presentation floor plan is to create a room schedule. So I'm going to go to View, Schedules, and choose Schedule Quantities. And then on the New Schedule tab window, I'm going to scroll down to Rooms and hit OK. Now in this room schedule, we want to include the room name. So I click Name, Add, Area, Add. We also want the perimeter, Add. And we would continue by adding the ceiling, floor, and wall finish. Click OK, and there's our room schedule. And we can add the finishes simply by typing in the type of finish that we want for each of the rooms, for the finish for the floor, the ceiling, and the wall. Don't forget to go back then to your presentation floor plan. Make the crop region visible. crop the view in preparing it to place it onto the sheet, like so. Hide the crop region, and then you're ready to place the presentation floor plan view and the room schedule onto your desired sheet.